hollow hold is a core strengthening exercise that targets your transverse abdominis, rectus abdominis, obliques, and also engages your hip flexors, quads, and lower back. It's a staple in gymnastics and bodyweight, training for building rock-solid core, stability and body control. In a hollow hold, your body forms a slight banana shape, a hollow position, lying on your back with shoulders and legs lifted off the ground, lower back pressed firmly into the floor, arms extended overhead or by your sides. It's an isometric hold, meaning you maintain the position without moving, which builds endurance and stability. 1. Start position. Lie flat on your back on a mat. 2. Engage core. Press your lower back into the floor. This is critical to protect your spine and activate the deep core muscles. 3. Lift shoulders and legs. Raise your shoulder blades slightly off the ground. Raise your legs off the ground 6 to 12 inches, keeping them straight and together. 4. Position your arms. For beginners, arms by your sides. For more challenge, extend arms straight overhead, biceps next to ears. 5. Hold, maintain. The position with controlled breathing for 20-60 seconds. Please check my next video.